ready or not, you have to come in. You have to come in the front ya, to the front. Jadi ketika namanya dipanggil, please, apa sih? Secara acak, siapa atau tidak, you have to come in to the front ya, harus maju ke depan. And then, what should you do after you are in the front? Apa yang kamu lakukan setelah sudah sampai depan? So you bring your paper, ya, and then put your paper on my table, okay? Jadi bawa kertasnya, taruh di meja, okay? And then you have to hold your the microphone here. You hold by your hand, not clip in your clothes, ya. Jadi pegang, and then you have to look into the camera, ya. For example, Assalamualaikum misalkan, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let me answer with myself, and then explain during 1 minute, ya. And then after that, I'm gonna order maybe like you should to read some article that, for example, please open article in day 2 misalkan, and then you have to read. Jadi saya perintahkan coba buka artikel di hari kedua, nanti baca. Tetap artikel dipegang terus dibaca ya. Setelah dibaca, please open very last of the page. Coba buka di halaman terakhir dari situ. There's a blank space there, an assignment. Di sana ada kolom yang titik-titik yang masih kosong ya. So after you already did all the things, termasuk majuan guys, majuan. Oke. Oke. Setelah teman-teman maju ke depan dan sudah menyelesaikan 2 tugas, yaitu presentasi 1 menit dan membaca artikel, teman-teman diminta untuk mengisi lembar yang kosong paling belakang ya, yang pakai vocabulary. Don't look to the paper, nggak boleh ngeliat selama mengerjakan tugas, nggak boleh melihat kertas ya. Jadi udah kerjain aja, sudah beres, kumpulin. Please close the door tightly. Tutup pintunya, rapetin, oke. Alright, so after you finish 3 things of the examination, setelah teman-teman beres mengerjakan 3 part, teman-teman tunggu yang lain. Nah, while you are waiting your friends to present, so you can make a conversation with the other. Jadi ketika teman-teman sambil nunggu teman-teman yang lain yang belum exam, teman-teman conversation aja sama teman lainnya, komunikasi aja sama teman, praktek yang gitu. Dan satu hal, I wanna reiterate here. So when your friends perform here in the front, don't look to your friend. Ya, ketika temannya lagi di depan presentasi, kalian fokus aja, fokus sama exam yang kalian preparationnya ya. Gak usah dilihatin temennya, nanti nervous, oke? Alright. Any questions for examination, please?
Sorry, Mr. I have done the third part.
The third part.
Yes.
Okay, it's okay. But you not look to your paper, right? Not really.
I prepared it.
Yes. Oh, you can have another one. The other one. Bisa nanti pakai yang lain ya.
Yes.
Okay. Any question? Ada lagi? No? It's already clear? Oke ya. Jadi temannya maju ke depan, jangan dilihatin ya. Nanti nervous. Kalian fokus aja sama persiapan kalian. Nanti nervous ya. Okay. I'm gonna start with. Saya akan mulai dari ini kelas A ya. Rozak, maju ke depan Rozak. Kemana Rozak? Or maybe like that. I give you 5 minutes ya. Kasih 5 menit. Termasuk Rozak nanti maju ke depan kalau ada sebut ya. 5 menit persiapan. Sok Rozak 5 menit persiapan nanti maju ke depan ya. Sok semuanya persiapan. Loudly. Yang kencang apa?
Every day and night, I will say about smart I should this because a diligent person has goals. Let's try questions.
Bring your paper here. Okay.
A smart student must be diligent.
Only your paper. The paper only. The paper only.
A smart student must be diligent.
Okay. Okay. Don't be nervous ya. Take a breath. Tarik nafas ya.
I go to
Wait a
study.
minute. Bentar. So put your paper here.
I clean my room.
Taruh sini. Okay.
I clean my room.
So all this. Nih. So you may continue, guys.
Yeah.
Chef.
So I'm gonna click this when you start talking, okay? Kali ini ketika kamu sudah mulai berbicara 1 menit ya.
Smart student
Dan beda kelas.
a smart student must be diligent.
Maybe better for you to just only talk.
I know. Knowledge. I know.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I know.
Hello, my friend. Before I telling my daily activity, I want to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Abdul Razak. You can call me Razak. I live in Cirebon City at Sinang Laut. I am a student in Al-Bahjah Islamic Boarding School. Every day, I wake up at 4 a.m. I pray and then go to study fiqh and usul fiqh at 6 a.m. Then I finish my lesson at 8 a.m. At 10 a.m. I return to my classroom to study fiqh.
Passion make us strong. Passion,
So right now, you have to
passion
be
make us strong in
That
front
is
of every
article.
circumstance.
also with Mike.
A smart
Pakai mic juga.
student must be patient, diligent, because diligent person goes
Every day I wake up at 4 a.m.
diligent person
I pray and clean my room.
diligent
I wash my face and wear my uniform. I eat breakfast and drink water.
I know.
At 7 a.m. I go to study. I always listen to the teacher. I finish my lesson in the afternoon. Then I return to my room and sleep at 9 p.m. I never waste my time.
So yeah. So right now, kerjakan yang lama Pak tadi.
We must be
Okay, thank you.
You know,
Haikal.
the passion makes us strong. The passion makes us strong. Yeah, you know, passion makes us strong in front of every circumstance. The passion make us strong in front of every circumstance.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Smart student
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
because diligent person
Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim. Muhammadin wa ala alihi washabihi ajmain wa la hawla wa la quwwata illa billahil aliyyil azim. Okay. Today I introduce my name. My name is Muhammad Haikal Ali Misbah. I am 20 years old. I now live in Al-Bahjah boarding school, and I will tell you about my daily activity in this college. I start. I wake up at 3 a.m. And in that time we are pray and at 4 a.m. Prayer subuh. Usually, I am having the Holy Quran after prayer subuh, but in this time, in these several days, I cannot. I can review Quran after prayer subuh because in these several days I'm so very busy. So I review Quran at the Qiyamul times. After prayer subuh, I work my job again. So and at the 6 a.m. I enter the class. This time we are study Tafsir Turqut class.
So this one.
Diligent person make house. Diligent person have clothes
To the camera.
and always I
A diligent student is a smart person. To get knowledge, we must be patient in the process. My teacher is very kind and helpful. I have a friend. He is honest and never lazy. It is important to have a good behavior. We study together to achieve our goal. I believe we can be successful.
So right now you have to fulfill the sentence very important. Don't look to the table. Okay. Alright, thank you.
we must be patient. Yes, you know this after. The patience make us strong in front of every circumstance. As much as must be diligent. Diligent person.
Azam.
Diligent person have goals and always try to I know. Study is not always easy. But believe what the knowledge is key to achieve.
Take this. You may start right now.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, before I tell my daily activity, I want to introduce myself. My name Muhammad Azam Syahid. I was born at Tangerang. I'm student in Al Bahjah School. Every day I always wake up at 3 a.m. and I clean my bedroom and I go to bedroom to take a bath and I wash my face and I wear my uniform. After that I go to prayer room to pray tahajud and pray subuh. After that I go to classroom at 6 a.m. In the classroom I listen to the teacher and I finish my lesson at 8 a.m. and I eat my breakfast and drink water.
Right now you should do this. Baca artikel yang terakhir. Yang ini. With the mic also. Pakai mic juga.
Learning English is a process. A diligent student will always start the day with a goal. First, we open the book and search for a simple word. We listen to the teacher and repeat the sound. It is important to be patient when the lesson is complex. If we make a wrong answer, we correct it. We believe that knowledge is the key to success. Never stop and never forget to study every day.
Okay, thank you. Kerjakan yang belakang ya. Alright. So may have a seat. Pandu. Front. Okay, put your paper here. Okay, that's mine. Whenever you're ready, you say it.
Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. Wassalatu wassalamu ala sayyidil mursalin Sayyidina wa maulana Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. My name is Pandu. At the night I will say yes. Yes. At the night, I will say about how to be a smart student. Alright. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. To be smart student, we must be patient. Yes, you know it. The passion make us strong in front the every circumstance. A smart student must be patient. A smart student must be diligent. Yes, because a diligent person have goals and every try to achieve they. I know the studying is not always easy, but believe my friend that knowledge is key to achieve success. Be excited.
So you can read this one. Read this one. Okay.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Learning English is a process. A diligent student will always start the day with a goal. First, we open the book and search for a simple word. We listen to the teacher and repeat the sound. It is important to be patient when the lesson is complex. If we make a wrong answer, we correct it. We believe that knowledge is the key to success. Never stop and never forget to study every day. Thank you.
Oke, sekarang kerjakan yang paling belakang ya. Halaman paling belakang. Oke. Tapi udah diisi ya? Yes. Kemarin waktu ngisi ngeliat nggak? Lihat ya. Oke, ini punya siapa ya? Ini tadi punya siapa ini? Punya Azam bukan? Punya kamu bukan ini? Oh, bukan ya? Alright, berarti you can use this like siapa ini ya? Dimas. Oke, ini bukan punya siapa. I'm not sure, but ini ada nih kosong. Pakein aja. Dinamain. Itu bau juga. Razib, one come to the front.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, my friends? If you dinner, before I talk about something, I want to introduce myself. My name is Ahmad Razib. You can call me Razib. I was born at Bandung, Bandung, and my hobby is sport and play motorcycle. At the past, I did studied in on elementary school. I am very rarely want to study English language, but when I study in this my school is let the subhar on English language, and
I go to bathroom. I go to bathroom and take a bath.
So, read this one.
To learn English, we start a simple step. First, we search for I know any word. Next, we find the meaning and save it in our memory. If a word is difficult, we repeat it again. We cost 2 3 every day. Don't stop. If the process is complex, we can our method sound English will be easy.
Sekarang kerjakan yang ini ya, yang paling belakang dikerjakan ya. Mana coba yang belakang? Belakang. Yang belakang kan? Oh ya, kerjakan ya. Oke, thank you. Alright. Oke. Wow. Fakih. Okay. Put your paper here. Okay. Alright, for this one. We start right now.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Yes, my name is Faki. I was born in Jakarta City at 2007. Before I will go to Al-Bahjah, my father was asked me which school will be you come in, and I answered his question as you like Abi, I mean father, until my father select this center, I mean Al-Bahjah. At 2000 until I will came in Al-Bahjah in 2023. First center I come in Al-Bahjah Buyut. There I was obtained of a lot of experience. And second center I was came in Al-Bahjah Cijidil until I was coming in there in this place.
Please read this one. Baca.
Learning English is a process. A diligent student will always start the day with a goal. First, we open the book and search for a simple word. We listen to the teacher and repeat the sound. It is important to be patient when the lesson is complex. If we make a wrong answer, we correct it. We believe that knowledge is the key to success. Never stop and never forget to study every day.
Kerjakan yang itu ya. Yang udah beres mengerjakan itu, yang paling belakang dikumpulin langsung ke depan. Okay, udah beres? Yes. Okay. I saw you right now. Okay. This. Collect in the front. Don't forget to put your name in the paper. Put your name on the paper. Kasih namanya di kertasnya. Okay. So, Pandu, you may find your friends, right? You find to communication practice, okay? After this, all right. Okay. Zidan. From Zidan, please. Okay, make conversations with your friend. Don't forget. Yeah. Put your paper here. Okay. Okay. All right. Yeah, you may start right now.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alright, everybody. I will tell you my daily activity in the Islamic boarding school. I pray. Every day I wake up at 4 a.m. Every day I wake up at 4 a.m. I pray and I start my day with reading Al-Quran. I go to the bathroom and take a bath and wear my uniform. Before I go to study, I clean my room and eat breakfast and drink water. At 8 a.m., I go to study. Rarely, I listen to the teacher because sometimes I feel cold in the class. And I sleep in the class. Don't pretend me, guys. You must listen to the teacher because it's very important. It's very important to get knowledge. To get knowledge.
I sleep in night. I sleep after I have my I am the smart belief. I am the article there. Baca artikel.
To learn English, we start with a simple step. First, we search for a new word. Next, we find the meaning and save it in our memory. If a word is difficult, we repeat it again. We choose to try every day. Don't stop. If the process is complex, we change our method. Soon, English will be easy. English will be easy.
Thank you. Jangan yang belakang ya. Okay. Alright. Faisal.
I wake up at 4 a.m. I was my first
Okay. Thank you. How this one? Okay.
I was my first and with my
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Faisal Ramadan. You can call me Faisal. I was born in Surabaya, and my father from Jawa, because my father from Jawa, of Jawa Diskant, but my mom from Kalimantan of Dayak Diskant. My hobbies very much. They are sing song, reciting with Al Quran, and boxing or martial arts practice. And anyway, first of all, learning of any language. A language, because language. Why language? Why I like language? Language was born at the same time as man was created. Language excited long before writing come into excited.
Sorry. Now, please open day 4 and then read the article there.
Okay. We start with simple step.
For day 4, kamu nggak day? Okay. Yeah, this one. Yeah, you read that one. Read this one.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A diligent student is a smart person. To get knowledge, we must be patient in the process. My teacher is very kind and helpful. I have a friend. He is honest and never lazy. It is important to have good behavior. We study together to achieve our goal. I believe we can be successful. Okay.
Alright, okay. Yang udah ikut ini ya, conversation ya, udah? Masih ngerjain ya? Razib udah, Razib masih ngerjain ya? Masih ngerjain. Oke. Udah dikumpulin ya. Alright, sekarang Lukman.
Because we learning
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Luqmanul Hakim. You can call me Luqman. I am from in Bekasi City. I want to tell for you my daily activity. Every day I wake up at 3 a.m. I pray and clean my little room, and then I take a bath and I wash my face with soap to face, and I take a wudu. And then after that I pray tahajud and istikhara and hajat and witr, and I read Al-Quran, and I repeat my memories. At 6 a.m. I prepare to study. I prepare go to study. My teacher in Tashilu Turukat class, Mr. Rizky, and my teacher in Zubat class, Mr. Muhammad Shato. I never lazy and never lazy and sleepy in the study, and I always listen to the teacher. I finish with my lesson I finished in my lesson at 8 a.m.
Alright, that's now. This is yours, right? Okay. Sekarang baca yang ini.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Learning English is a process. A diligent student will always start the day with a goal. First, we open the book and search for a simple word. We listen to the teacher and repeat the sound. It is important to be patient when the lesson is complex. If we make a wrong answer, we correct it. We believe that knowledge is the key to success. Never stop and never forget to study every day.
Alright. Aziz, come to the front.
we have watched
For those that already done, bagi yang sudah, maybe you can make a partneran aja, dua orang. So you may to practice with your friend, okay? So, dua orang, partner ini udah? Oke, udah? Oh, lagi partner ada nih? Alright. Oh, belum beres ngerjain? Oke, udah beres ngerjain? Belum? Lagi for you guys, okay. Take your time. Alright, put your paper here, then hold this one.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Aziz Rizqullah Akbar, and you can call me Aziz. Just Aziz, okay? And now I'm gonna speak about how to be a smart student. To be a smart student, we must be diligent and we cannot waste our time. Because if we waste our time, we will fail. Although a process is very difficult and complex, we must never give up and still be patient. But because it is the key to get knowledge, we study together every day. It is a very important because it is very important to achieve our goal. Unless we believe be that we can be successful.
Alright, thank you. Okay. This is yours, right?
Yes.
Okay, so this put here.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I get
Yeah, you read it.
Every day I wake up at 4 a.m. I pray and clean my room. I wash my face and wear my uniform. I eat breakfast and drink water. At 7 a.m. I go to study. I always listen to the teacher. I finish my lesson in the afternoon. Then I return to my room and sleep at 9 p.m. I never waste my time.
Alright. Bacakan yang terakhir ya. Alright. Okay, welcome. Who's this paper here? Whose paper is this? Don't forget to put your name here ya. Have you already put your name? Dari ada namanya. Oke. Zaki, ya. Dari last. Okay, put your paper here. Okay. Start right now.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I want to introduce myself. My name is Zaki Anwar. You can call me Zaki. I was born at Jakarta City. Before I wanna tell my daily activity for you together. Every day I wake up at 3 a.m. After that, I gonna bathroom to take a bath and I wash my face with face soap. And then I pray Subh with my friends and my teachers together in the prayer room. At 10 p.m. at 10 a.m. I go to study English class and I finish my lesson in the afternoon. At time I return to my room to review my complex lesson and I sleep after I have had my dinner.
Okay, thank you. Sekarang coba baca this one.
A diligent student is a smart person. To get knowledge, we must be patient in the process. My teacher is very kind and helpful. I have a friend. He is honest and never lazy. It is important to have good behavior. We study together to achieve our goal. I believe we can be successful.
Oke, thank you. Jangan yang terakhir ya. Alright. Mustafa. Very last. Semantic good one.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I want to introduce myself. My name is Abdul Malik Mustafa. Can call me Mustafa. I studied in Al-Bahjah Scouting Board. My daily activity every day I wake up at 4 a.m. I pray and clean my room. I wash my face and wear my uniform. I uh, at at 7 I am I go study Vicky.
Alright, that's enough. Okay, right now you should read this one. Okay, Danny. Also with Mike.
Diligent student is a smart person to get knowledge. We must be patient in the process. My teacher is very kind and helpful. I have a friend who is honest and never lazy. It is important to have good behavior. We study together to achieve our goal. I believe we can be successful.
Thank you. Perjagaan terakhir ya. Okay.
I feel so good. This night so cool. Okay. Okay. Alright. You know.
Alright.
I'm so.
Guys, what are you discussing? I heard someone sing a song.
Yeah, that's right.
Is it the title of the song? I'm Swedish. You can do that. Okay. Alright, thank you. Okay, so you can collect with your friend, practice. Come on, continue, come on.
I see.
It's gonna be like very effective when you have only two partner, yeah. So you not listen, but you practice also and answer the question. Okay. So what's your partner again? Who's your partner? Who is your partner? You are with him. Okay. How about you? You are with him. How about you? You are of him, or you can with you can with Aziz, Mr. Aziz. Okay. Make a conversation. Maybe we have like 5 minutes. All right. What are you discussing, guys? I'm sorry. Okay.
I'm singing a song.
Oh, you sing a song.
Okay.
All right. So, are you talking about what's that? Is sing a song is prohibited or not? Yeah. Prohibited or prohibited, right? Allowed or not in the perspective of Islamic religion? Is sing a song? Yeah. Is sing a song allowed? Yeah. Dibolehkan or not in Islamic perspective? Yeah. So you are discussing about that or not? Kalian lagi diskusi itu, maksudnya apakah Islam membolehkan nyanyi atau enggak? Apa diskusi yang lain?
This different.
Oh, different thing. In the scope. Oh, no. I ask you about topik apa nih yang lagi dibahas? Kalian membahas tentang hukumnya atau membahas tentang hobi aja, nyanyi atau apa?
Maybe
Oh, you are saying.
anyway to this thing.
Alright. So right now you should to make a partner. So only 2 person, yeah. So who's your partner? Point at your partner. You are with him and you are with him. Okay. So please talk much. You have 5 minutes. This is very worth it. Okay.
Okay.
Alright. You already finished. Okay. So you may choose which group you are involved. Mau kemana? Grup mana boleh?
Yes.
Oh yeah. Okay. Please practice. Come on. What are you talking about? What are you discussing? About what? About home? Okay. Are you homesick? Rindu rumah, homesick ya? Homesick ya bahasa Inggrisnya. Of course. Alright. When was the last time you going to your home? Terakhir kali pulang ke rumah kapan? A year ago? Last year. Okay. How about your parents? Is your parent what's that? Come to here regularly? Jenguk ke sini different. Oh, you are different. Okay. So when was the last time your parent come here? Kapan terakhir kali orang tua kalian ke sini? Remember. 2 months ago. Oh, so you are the same. Okay. All right. You are the same. Okay. So you are talking about home, yeah. All right. So you was that. You gonna go home, right? Before Idul Fitri, yeah. The last 10 days, yeah. Before Idul Fitri. Okay. So, what's your preparation? What are you gonna do after you already in your home? Yeah, please share to each other, yeah. Okay, right now, please. Okay. Don't be rush, Mustafa, ya. Don't be rush, jangan buru-buru, santai. Masih ada banyak waktu, santai. It's okay.
So, then your permission study in this class. With permission, even.
What not a good behavior?
This don't like his teacher in
He doesn't like his teacher in
last year.
in last
Last year.
last year. Oh, it means like not in this in this mahat or on this area, not in this area, but same Al Bahja, right? Okay, so you talking about your teacher. You are gossiping your teacher. Yes, okay, it's okay.
We are talking about the study in that class.
In that class at the time. All right. So you are in what grade at the time? What grade? Kelas berapa waktu itu?
Arabia grade.
Arabia. What Arabia? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Second grade or fourth? You said Arabia. Oh, Arabia. Oh, yeah, yeah. Arabic grade. Oh, okay. Alright, keep going. Lanjutkan.
You know Kanchil? The small and the big you know that they have Kalimantan so much Kanchil. But Kijang student.
Oh, sorry. What is again?
I mean Kijang.
Kijang. Oh, I don't even know. Yeah, Dengus of Kijang also.
Because in Kalimantan so
Oh yeah.
much.
So much animal, yeah, over there in Kalimantan, right? Because the forest also exists there, yeah. But right now, I think difference, yeah, Kalimantan back then and right now, because there are deforestation, penambangan hutan, a lot of deforestation, yeah.
This apa ini di tengah daerah tengah.
The middle,
The middle.
in the middle of the area of the country. All right, keep going. What do we speak in
English.
Maybe you can breakfast together. Breakfasting. So it's the same like breakfast, but have a different meaning. Breakfast means like you eat in the morning.